Hi, my name is Michael Williams, and in this tutorial I'm going to be walking you through the Name and Contact subtabs of the Hotels tab in Poco 5. As with the other areas of Poco, the Name and Contact subtabs will hold the basic contact information for each hotel reservation. But the easiest way to create a new hotel reservation is actually through the Flights tab. If I wanted to create a new hotel reservation for, in this example, Gary Newman, all I would need to do is go down here to the Hotel Reservations portal and click on the plus icon. Poco would then take me over to the Hotels tab and create an entirely new record, putting in Gary's information, his position, and all of his contact information. Then all we need to do is actually select the hotel and put in his check-in and check-out dates, and I would be done. But you can also manually enter hotel reservations, and if that's something you'd like to do, I'm going to walk you through each step right now. Back to our main sample record, the first field here is the Travel Authorization field, or TA field. If you're creating a hotel reservation for someone that doesn't have a flight attached to this reservation, then you can go ahead and leave this field blank. Or you can enter in your own numbers here, for instance, PO numbers or any other identification numbers you'd like to put in. The next field is the full name field, and you can go ahead and type in a name, or even better, you can use the pull-down menu here and select from a list of every person that's been entered into the People tab. This is generally preferable as it's easy to forget middle initials or spellings of people's names, and it's important that you get the name exactly right so that all the information can tie in properly throughout Poco. The person's position on the show will automatically be entered as soon as you enter that person's name. The confirmation number will be the number that the hotel gave you when you made the reservation. This is primarily used internally for accounting. And the room number can be entered at any time and is of course used on the hotel room list. The last field on the name subtab is the checked in field. If this person's checked into the hotel, you can check this little box right here. It's a handy way to see who's in and out of the hotel at any given time. Switching to the contact subtab, you note that some of the important information from the name subtab has actually been pasted up here at the very top. For instance, the TA number, the name of the person, their position, and of course a related records icon that would take you directly to their name in the People tab. The other fields here include the address, phone number, email, date of birth, and frequent flyer. But note that the only field here that you can actually type in is the frequent flyer number. The other ones have been made read-only to protect the data. This data really belongs to the People tab, and to avoid accidentally having typed in something here that would inadvertently make it to the crew list, for instance, we want to be able to protect the data, which is why it's read-only. You should also note the two icons here, the Google Map icon. If you click on this, Google Maps will be brought up in your browser and be able to see a map of this address. And of course, the email icon, so you can directly send an email to this person. And that about covers it for the name and contact subtabs of the Hotels tab in Poco 5. Be sure to hit us up on both our Facebook and our Twitter feeds. We would love to hear what you think of the product. Thanks again, and we really hope that you enjoy using Poco 5.